Okay, so the next thing I'm going to look at is a Google form. Now all a Google form is a document that if you would like to create a survey or some sort of platform to engage with an audience, we can create some questions. Now I'm going to title this demo. Seems like it's my favourite. You can put a description in. And we can start populating with some questions. Now the questions, we can do multiple choice, we can do short answer or longer answer, we can do drop down where we can put the options in. So let's just say, how are you today? Now we might say a bit of a Likert scale, 1 being poor, 5 being excellent. As if you want to add a new question, before we do that, actually we can duplicate the question, we can bin the question, we could say it's required, so you actually can't complete the form without completing this question. That's just a little slider. Or we can just add a new question, so it could be what did you have for lunch? Now again, I hope your form is much better than mine, but I'm going to make that as a short answer, so it's open, but it's also required. Now what's really good and useful about this is we can, if we want to reorder these questions, we can easily just drag and drop. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. We might want to change the theme, so let's change the theme. I might want a orange theme. We can put an image in if we like. We can preview what this form would look like if it was live. So we can see the asterisk is required, so we can see that the first one, what did you have for lunch? No question mark. It's asterisk, so you can't move on, you can't complete it. It's required. Bread. And I feel excellent, despite having just bread for lunch. So we can submit another response. If I cross that off now, you can see instantly we've got one response. We can see that I had for lunch bread, and we can see the analytics are coming straight live. If we want to be able to analyze it a little bit further, we can spit it straight out to a new Google Sheets demo response. Create, and that new sheet will be put into my Google Drive, and we can see the timestamp of when it was completed. So you can see that if you look for the date, it's a Friday and it's 4:05, so I'm flagging a little bit. After a hard week's teaching, I can see that I've had bread, I'm living the life, and I'm feeling great today. 5. If I want to share that data, I can share that data, but that is living in the cloud, that is safe, that is secure, as secure as it can be. But yeah, that's a quick video on how to create surveys and forms in Google.